Right, pancakes. So, we want to... This is like super professional kitchen, by the way. Oh no, how much is that? What do we got? Self-raising flour. Ta-da! I don't have a lot of it left, but it'll be enough for what we need in the morning. So normally what I do is, you know what, I'll turn that off. The music's distracting me a little bit. I do a little. There we go. Her pancakes are terrible. Oh really? That sucks. Well, you can share this later. I might upload this later as a full clip from the stream. Music be damned! Oh shit. Just a joke. So normally, so if you want to get pancakes, you want a good rise out of them. I usually go about half self-raising, half plain flour. But because I don't have a lot of self-raising, I'm just going to use a little bit of flour, and I'll just have to be a little bit flatter. Then again, it's going to be resting in the fridge for like that long. So you know, what's it, like 4 hours, which is fine. You really want to flat Russian pancakes, yeah, something like that. Did I do that thing properly? Yeah, so you want about half self-raised. Yes, I do use eggs in it. So for what I've got here, I've probably got like, I want to say 2 to 3, I want to say 2.5 to 3 cups of each, roughly. That's about one. So that's like, there's the bowl, right? That's the bowl. And for scale, I don't have any bananas. And that's like, that's what's in there, alright? It's a basic whisk. You're allergic to eggs? Oh no! There are egg-free pancake mixes out there you can do, nerd. I just don't have them on hand at the moment. I can't remember them either. I've actually probably got too many eggs for this, but I'm gonna do it anyway. We're gonna go... Ooh, this is dangerous with all this fucking recording equipment. So, I normally put about 3 to 4 eggs in. I can't believe you're allergic to eggs, nerd. That sucks. This is so fucking risky. I buy some at the store, I'm not as fancy as you. Pancakes are like one of the most purest, simplest, beautiful things in the world. Look at that, you guys can hear that audible crack. We can turn this into an ASMR stream. So I've got 4 eggs in there, which is probably a little bit too much, but that's okay. So we're just gonna break them up a little bit before we add the milk in. So milk, standard. Shout out to Coles, you champions. And basically, I don't do this by measurement. I just do this consistency. And my big trick with pancakes, even if you're using them for sweet things, is not to put sugar in them, because when you cook them, hang on guys, when you cook them, the sugar tends to caramelize and burn really, really fast. So my big secret is because most time when people have pancakes, you're gonna have it with like, you know, with syrup and ice cream and all that kind of junk. So adding that extra sweetness really gets you no benefit except for burnt pancakes. So then you just whisk that up, and you want, with the self-raising flour, you want to make it thinner than you actually intend as well. Man, I'm making brown sugar pancakes, yuck. Or pancake by themselves. Yeah, pancake by themselves are good too. And this way you can kind of use them for other stuff too. Like if you want to do like a savoury pancake mix, you can. So I need to add, so this is the consistency it's at the moment. And that's kind of the consistency you want once it's rested. So you want to make it a little bit thinner, because what will happen is that self-raising and the gluten in the flour will start to relax, and it'll start to thicken up quite a fair bit. So you want to make it just a little bit thinner, just to make it easier to pour once you've rested it for a little while. You're gonna be a pancake pro, right? So here's the thing, this is the base pancake mix you can use for anything. If you want to add anything in here, like I'm probably gonna throw, I've got some fresh blueberries in the fridge, and I'll probably throw some in the morning, just fold them through, or just try to throw them in as I'm cooking them. But I mean, and I'll probably, like, because I'm resting this for so long, normally you only need to really rest your pancakes for about 20 minutes before you start cooking with them, but because I'm leaving it for a few hours, I'll probably have to thin this out again a little bit. You don't need the sugar. Trust me, Stormy, you don't. Why do you need the sugar? You want to make sure you get, like, work it so you get a nice smooth batter as well. That's really important. You don't want those lumps in there. Hang on, wait, I said I promised I'd make it look like I was jacking it. No. Alright. Hubby likes chopped pancakes.
I'm gonna jump over and help a buddy.
Yeah, no worries, man. You do that.
Okay,
Yeah, I'll probably be here for a few hours anyway. Have a good one, Tindy. So yeah, so this is like, can I get this without spilling it on my keyboard? This is kind of like really kind of thin, alright? Like that'll thicken up a ton, and that'll actually probably be way too thick for what I need. So I'll probably just thin it out, but that'll do it. Most of my batter doesn't make it into the pan. See, that's the problem, Stormy. If you make it non-sweet, again, they're versatile. You can use them for savory dishes. And they don't burn as much. A little bit of butter, a little bit of oil, non-stick pan, always good. And that's it. I can't set up a cooking setup here. Like, I can't actually get I don't have anything to heat. But yeah, otherwise I'd cook some too. Just to keep it in. And not an issue if they don't make it to the pan, exactly. Pancake mix can be pretty good by itself. I'm so mad. Why are you mad, nerd? Why are you mad? It sounds very inappropriate for someone to jump in blind on audio only, right? And guys, that's my pancake mix, and it is. Well, I'll put some photos in when I cook them in the morning. Oh, hubby burned your non-stick remote. Oh no. Oh no, that sucks. Ugh. He was cooking grilled cheese. Is it like totally ruined, or is it just burnt on the bottom? Because I mean, burnt pans are still kind of easy, but the ceramic ones are difficult to kind of bring back afterwards. Ceramic with copper on the outside was really. Oh no. No, those copper pans are beautiful too. I really like them. I need to get some. I need to get better pans. I have really crappy pans at home. I have like one good one that I stole from a kitchen, like a cast iron skillet. It's beautiful, but it's the only one I have, and it's only like yay big. I have rubber pans. Alright, guys. I'm gonna go. What I'm gonna do with this is I'm gonna go clean up this mess real quick, and I'll cover this, put it in the fridge to set, and then I guess we'll be back and we'll find something else to do. But I hope you enjoyed my my little impromptu cooking stream. There will be more of these coming. The kids go back to school next week, so after this weekend. So probably the week after that, I'll probably do a proper setup one. We'll do something. I think we're gonna make some pasta from scratch, and maybe I'll try and figure out a dessert or something with the stuff I have around the kitchen.